Welcome to the show, everybody. I'm Dr. Cog, and today we're doing a house visit and a change on Miseo's bottom bracket. So we're gonna take the Omniums of this Fuji in the back, and we're gonna add Rotor 3T cranks with a Sagino Zen chainring. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the show. Because the outer cap is a 10 millimeter Allen key and the inside bolt is 8 millimeters, you can just take the 8 millimeter Allen key and stick it right in through. You don't really need to remove the cap. And yeah, and then we just bang this out. Monkey wrench, Big Ben, and the BB cup. I didn't even need to bring the pipe. Okay, now we're gonna install the bottom bracket cups for the Rotor Cranks. GXP bottom bracket cup fits these, so I'm gonna have to give you a bottom bracket cup. Be sure to grease up your bottom bracket. Grease up the bottom bracket and make sure it enters in smoothly. If it enters in a little rough or something's in the way, check it out, clean it, grease it, but do not force the bottom bracket cups in. So instead of the Sagino Zen, we're gonna go with AARN 144 49T. Okay.
Thank you for watching today's episode of On the Block with Soho. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on today's episode.
Left it off the hook, gave the corner store. Rocks in my palm, broccoli in my book. Ass cheeks on my arm, circle when I cook.